Big Poppy in the house. Okay, next step. Putting primers in 5.7 by 28 millimeters. I got small primers in my hand load here. It uses a 45 or 15 shell holder that's flat. We'll go through and do this tray real quick. It's no big thing here. I could actually do it on my single press or on my progressive press to put the primers on, but this is just so much easier. And this step actually goes pretty quick. Sometimes you'll get a primer where it's upside down. You gotta walk it back a little bit so it gets flipped right. Don't know what's wrong with that case. And you want to make sure that it's in there flush, actually a little bit recessed down. And then I'll show you a little trick, no biggie, but have you ever tried putting primers on your tray here and accidentally tipped it all upside down and all the primers are all over the floor? And if you load a lot, you don't know if the good ones are down there or the bad ones. I'll show you. I think I got a couple military rounds there for some reason. Okay, so that's putting the primers in. And let's move around here. So normally when you get your boxes of your primers, and I'm going to go ahead just so I can show you guys, I'm going to go ahead and dump this on top of this white towel. Put a white towel down, okay? And then here's your new box of primers. Everyone knows you're going to take it and you're going to put it upside down and you're going to flip it around and then you're going to take this off. Well, when you're actually doing the single presses and you got the round ones like this, they used to end up all over the floor. So what I do is I put a towel underneath it, and then what I can do is just take the ones that I dropped and go ahead and put them on here. And you know, primers are not cheap, just like anything else. I think it's 3 cents a piece if you think about it. So again, they're right there, everything's in, and I have none that are spilt or none on the floor. And I'll go ahead and put my tray on. Just like that. Thanks and good shooting.